Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a cute kitten together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw an oval for the head. Draw 2 circles for each eye, the triangular nose, and 2 semicircles for the mouth. Now draw the moustache with 3 curved lines on each cheek. Draw the outline of the ear, and then an internal line. Do the same thing for the second ear. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Start drawing the body line, starting from the head, and draw the front legs. Now draw the back of the body and the hind leg. Close the body part with 2 lines at the bottom. Now draw the tail. Wow! Our cat turned out great! Good job! Now let's state the colors. Use black for the eye pupils and yellow for the iris. Color the cat's ear, face, and body with red. And use orange for the inside of the ears. Excellent! Our red cat is ready to play with us. Goodbye friends, see you soon!